Hey guys, it's your girl D to the E to the B to E D D. Come with me to go get me some seafood at Captain Crab. I already ordered it, so I'm about to walk aside and go get it. And I had to wait. I'm like, why am I waiting? I ordered this a minute ago. But bag is secure, guys. Bag is secured. I don't know what I was talking about, but anyhow. Now I'm back at home. Let's open this up. I got 1 pound of crawfish, and then I got a half a pound of shrimp, mild, and it's like their house garlic, house special sauce. I'm sure to show you guys everything. That's on the receipt, which I just said: a pound of shrimp and half a pound of crawfish, or a pound of crawfish and half a pound of shrimp. My bad. And it came with a corn, 2 corns, and potato, which I'm about to devour. I was so excited. Like, can you not tell? Like, I'm happy. Had to fix my ring light real quick. But yeah, guys, this is about to be a video just watching me eat. No sound, but just enjoy me eat this food. This good, lovely food. It's only 3 minutes. If you guys want to see the whole video, go to my YouTube, okay? Say a little prayer. Don't never forget to say your prayer. Looking at this make me want to go get some shrimp right now. Alright, bye guys. Enjoy.